Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Growth Stock Research. In a recent interview with The Guardian, Lucid CEO Rawlinson was asked whether Apple has approached Lucid, and Rawlinson declined to comment. In this short update on the Apple rumors, we will analyze what this could mean. This video is structured in the following way. Number 1. Recap of our previous video. Number 2. Why Rawlinson would decline to comment. And number 3. Conclusion. In one of our previous videos, we did a deep dive into why Apple and Lucid could currently be in talks with respect to building the Apple car. If you haven't seen it, feel free to watch it as we pointed out various aspects that are not covered in other YouTube videos. In short, we based our analysis on many clues, primarily the connections between Apple and Lucid, the brand fit, and also a fit in what each company needs and could provide. Lucid is currently a no-name brand with advanced battery technology in a car factory, and Apple is looking for a partner which could produce its cars or a partner to use its autonomous driving software, which Lucid doesn't have and is very unlikely to be able to catch up with Tesla. This seems to be a fit. However, we also argued that these are still speculations, that Lucid may be too small for Apple, and that Apple would more likely partner with Foxconn than Lucid. Therefore, we concluded that to find out whether there is any merit in these rumors, Rawlinson would need to be asked directly whether talks are happening, and if Rawlinson wouldn't comment, that this could be interpreted as telling. And this is exactly what happened very recently, but this mostly went unnoticed. The Guardian asked Rawlinson whether Apple approached Lucid, and Rawlinson declined to comment. To assess why he would have done this, it is necessary to look at the New York Stock Exchange rules, as CCIV is listed at the NYSE. The rules state that if rumors are in fact false or inaccurate, they should be promptly denied or clarified. But Rawlinson didn't deny that Apple reached out to Lucid, which has been rumored to create a partnership with Apple for quite some time. Instead, he declined to comment on this matter. Of course, one could argue that the NYSE rules may not strictly apply to Lucid yet, as it's CCIV that is formally listed. However, it seems very suspicious that Rawlinson would decline to comment on an Apple partnership, and in the same interview freely mentions potential partnership candidates such as Honda, Hyundai, or Toyota. We also dive deeper into this topic in another video. Take a look on our channel for this video as we focus on Lucid in our videos. So, what can we interpret from this new clue? In our opinion, there's a decent chance that Apple and Lucid are in talks. But does it mean that the talks will be successful? Of course not. This is all very speculative. We still think that there is at least an equally high chance that Foxconn or Magna will produce the Apple car, especially if we are to believe that Apple has developed its own advanced technology ready by 2024 for mass production. After all, if Apple has its own state-of-the-art battery technology, they wouldn't need Lucid's technology. This could also explain why Rawlinson pointed out that he would welcome the Apple car as a new competition when recently asked by Jim Cramer. But then again, even Elon Musk doubts that Apple's rumored monocell technology is possible, and other analysts also think that Apple doesn't have the battery technology to offer a high driving range. But if Apple's own battery technology is not ready for mass production by 2024, who can Apple partner up with to at least match Tesla's battery technology by then? Apart from Lucid, we don't see that many alternatives that have a high driving range. So we will just have to wait and see, and hope more journalists ask Rawlinson about Lucid's building the Apple car, leaving potential clues for us to analyze. And if it's not the Apple car, Lucid and Apple could partner up to use Apple's autonomous driving software. This is also in line with what Cook recently said on the Sway podcast, where he clearly emphasized the autonomy part. This in turn is a puzzle piece that Lucid is missing, since Rawlinson pointed out that Lucid would be interested in partnering up with a big company from Silicon Valley that could prove its autonomous driving, or in short AD software, with Lucid. What do you think? Have you also seen our previous video in which we presented 3 reasons in favor of Lucid producing the Apple car and 3 reasons against it? Please let us know in the comments. We will reply to every single comment, and if this video was interesting, feel free to share it with other CCIV shareholders. Vielen Dank.